All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Special Analysis. Going to break it down for you the way we approached the market this morning, at least the way I did. The reason I like to do this is very simply so that you could relate to the way I approach trading, right? If you're going to join me live in the market and you decide, hey, I'm trying to hone my skills and get to the next level and I want to hang out with this guy Anthony for couple hours every day, I should probably have some insight to the way he places his trades and the way he analyzes his market. So for me, analysis comes down to three components: volume, price action, order flow. Those are really the only three things that matter to me. How those things are analyzed obviously are layered into a gradient approach of what puts the pieces of the puzzles together, right? If there's no edge in the market, then what do I really have? I have nothing, right? So I identified two setups that I liked this morning. I acted upon one of them, and I'll give you the explanation for why I did not act upon the other. I disclosed this live inside of my live session. I made very clear that this very specific area that I have marked off in white, if we were unsuccessful in pushing back above it, that we would likely fall below it. So we had a very high volume surge here at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the open of the U.S. crude market. All right, price did pull back. We were unsuccessful in having any follow through. In fact, we did fall a little bit below that candle, which did show me a bunch of weakness. There were a few key areas here, 77.82 and 77.75, that if we were unsuccessful in closing back above them or overtaking that area, that there was a pretty good chance we were not going to be able to retake this candle and that we were going to fall back lower. So as you can see, price did push back down. Price did push back up into this area. Retested what I felt like was a pretty key level into these prior highs, 77.85, and then did fall onward into selling into the session lows. So this was the setup that I took. I got short inside this box here, and I just kind of drifted my stop up here. I was waiting to see how things kind of played out. I felt fairly confident that we were not going to violate this high, as there was a lot of trap buyers here. So I just basically put my stop at 95. Right? So I went 5 ticks over that high as we pulled back into this area. Felt very confident after this candle here at 920 closed. And then you could see we did sell off very aggressively. Now we did pull back and did generate a very similar setup here to push short once again. But since I'd already taken advantage of the exact same move, I didn't feel it was necessary to try to re-enter for more. I did take my profit very aggressively into these prior lows, and I did have a little bit on. I didn't feel it was necessary to add to my position. I felt very comfortable in what I've already done. And again, we've been kind of hitting this area all morning and being very unsuccessful in trying to get through it. So every time the sellers push into this area, they get absorbed by the buyers, at least to this point. Now, this may change through the balance of the day. It doesn't matter to me because I'm already done trading. But very specifically, this area was marked off on the reference chart for my clients. I very specifically mentioned to them that if we were unsuccessful in overtaking this, that we would fail to retest the 9 a.m. candle and that we should fall back. Again, there's never any guarantees in trading. I'm not here to advise you how to use or trade your own personal money. I'm simply here to share with you the way I approach the market. This is the way I approach the market today. Whether that's beneficial to you, whether you would have acted upon it or not, whether it fit your trade plan or not, that's totally up to you. Again, I'm not here to dictate you any financial doings. I'm simply here to share with you, through my experience of over 13 years, how I interpret volume, price action, and order flow. So if that's something you guys are interested in learning more about, there's some links below this video. I encourage you to click on them, consume them, reach out to me. Be more than happy to answer any questions you have before you get started with the program. It is a monthly subscription, all right? So it is something that you would renew on a monthly basis. If you decide at some point that it's not for you, you can just simply cancel your next month's renewal. But it is something that is for you, and you are trading the futures market live, and if you are looking for broader market analysis, it could be an invaluable reference tool. I created this program basically to provide what exactly I was looking for through my journey, right? So what's brought me to where I am today, I'm now sharing with you. right? The things I felt that I needed 13 years ago are the things I'm bringing to you. If that's valuable to you and it fits your style, wonderful. If it does not fit your style, that's okay, right? Like, I'm not here to push anything upon you. I'm not here to continuously upsell you things and programs and other stuff. Simply here to offer you access to my knowledge, access to my time in real live market conditions, and also big picture analysis, stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, options, the things that I personally look at, and the things that I personally feel may have some potential, right? And through the program, it's really designed. Here's the analysis, the interpretation, the expectations. If it fits your personal trade plan and you so desire to act upon it, that is at your sole discretion. So again, I appreciate you guys. This is the way I navigated it today. It was taking a short here on the retest of this level I marked off on the reference chart for my clients back into the prior lows. That was it. Short, sweet, to the point. Sometimes to me, those are the best trading days. So hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Again, if I can help you in any way, feel free to reach out to me. I'll leave my contact information below. God bless, and I will talk to you soon.